Did you imagine? One morning you wake up and you receive a phone call? It is an automation AI phone call, which is the HR of the company. The voice says, "Mr. Andrew, you do not have to come to work anymore. AI took your job. AI replace you. You are speechless." The voice continue, "Mr. Andrew, we really appreciate your 10 years of dedication and work. From now on, you are free to work where you want. You will receive your last check at your bank account in 24 hours. Thank you." And for the first time in history, this fear feels real. Andrew is a software developer. He knows that AI writes better than some writers. It codes faster than many developers do. It diagnoses diseases. It creates art. It speaks every language. So, the question is no longer if AI will change the job market. The real question is, what can AI not take away from humans? Since despite all the hype, all the fear, and all the automation, there are things AI can never replace. And understanding those things may be the most important career move you ever make. Let's talk about the truth beyond fear, beyond hype about AI and the future of human work in 8 sections. Section 1. AI takes tasks, not humans. First, let's get one thing clear. AI doesn't replace people. AI replaces tasks. Repetitive tasks. Rule-based tasks. Predictable tasks. That's why AI excels at data entry, scheduling, basic analysis, pattern recognition, repetitive writing. But a job is more than tasks. A job is judgment, responsibility, communication, decision-making, human interaction. And this is where AI hits its first hard limit. Section 2. Human judgment and ethical decision-making. AI can give recommendations. But AI cannot make ethical or moral decisions. It cannot decide what is right or wrong, what is fair or unfair, what risk is acceptable, what value matters most. For example, a doctor doesn't just follow data. They consider ethics, patient values, and human dignity. A judge doesn't just apply rules. They weigh context, intent, and consequences. A leader doesn't just optimize numbers. They decide what kind of future to build. AI has no conscience, no responsibility, no accountability. When something goes wrong, AI isn't blamed. Humans are. That alone guarantees humans remain essential. Section 3. Emotional intelligence and empathy. AI can simulate empathy, but it cannot feel empathy. It doesn't understand fear, loss, hope, love, motivation. The AI can respond with the right words, but without lived experience. Emotion is just imitation. This matters more than people realize, because in many jobs, performance isn't about accuracy. It's about trust. Think about therapists, nurses, teachers, coaches, managers, leaders. People don't want perfect answers. They want to feel heard, understood, supported. The AI can assist, but humans connect. And connection is not programmable. Section 4. Creativity with meaning. Yes, AI can create art. It can write music, generate images, produce videos. But here's the difference. The AI creates patterns. Humans create meaning. Human creativity comes from personal experience, cultural context, emotion, struggle, and purpose. AI doesn't suffer. AI doesn't dream. The AI doesn't care if something matters. That's why human creativity still leads. Storytelling, art with cultural impact, brand vision, original thought, purpose-driven design. AI assists creativity. Humans give it direction. Section 5. Context and real-world adaptability. The real world is messy. Data is incomplete. Information is ambiguous. Situations change constantly. Humans are exceptional at reading between the lines, understanding social cues, adapting on the fly, making decisions with uncertainty. AI needs structured input. Humans handle chaos. This is why humans remain critical in negotiation, crisis management, fieldwork, leadership, strategy. AI predicts outcomes. Humans navigate reality. Section 6. Trust, relationships, and social capital. AI cannot build real relationships. It has no reputation, no history, no accountability. People trust, people they know, people they respect, people who have proven themselves. In business, trust decides who gets hired, who gets promoted, who gets investment, who leads teams. The AI can assist relationships, but it cannot replace human trust. Section 7. Physical presence and human skill. The AI has no body. That alone protects millions of jobs. Humans are essential in skilled trades, healthcare procedures, construction, repair, emergency response. Even the most advanced robots lack flexibility, intuition, situational awareness. AI supports physical work. Humans execute it. Section 8. Purpose, values, and vision. Here's the most important point. AI doesn't choose goals. It optimizes goals set by humans. Only humans can decide what matters, what success means, what future we want. This ensures humans remain central in leadership, entrepreneurship, strategy, governance, innovation. AI is a tool. Humans are the source of direction. Final truth, the real future of work. AI will absolutely change the job market, but not the way most people fear. AI will remove repetition, busy work, inefficiency, and it will amplify thinking, creativity, judgment, human value. The real divide won't be humans versus AI. It will be humans who use AI versus humans who don't. Your advantage. The future doesn't belong to machines. It belongs to humans who stay human and learn to work with intelligent tools. AI can take tasks, but it cannot take your judgment, your empathy, your creativity, your values, your purpose. And that's where your real power is. Did AI hit your job or career? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you want more videos about how AI actually affects your life, career, and future, hit the like button and subscribe to AI Outcomes. Because the future isn't about technology. It's about what humans choose to do with it. Stay human.